You need to hear this if you're a home cook. Is your fridge full of onion myths? Let's bust one right now. So, there's this rumor that cut onions absorb bacteria and become toxic. But guess what? It's just a myth. Onions don't magically attract bacteria from the air. In fact, they're kinda like superheroes with sulfur compounds that have natural antibacterial powers. When you store cut onions properly, in an airtight container in the fridge, they're totally safe to use for up to 7 days. The real issue? If left uncovered, onions can dry out, absorb odors, or transfer their strong smell to other foods. So, don't go wasting those perfectly good onions. Store them right and you're good to go. Myth busted. Please click subscribe so you won't miss any health and wellness tips.